Okay, so let's get started. So first I'm going to apply this lip sleeping mask on my lips since my lips have been super chapped. Then I'm gonna grab my Glow Recipe Watermelon Moisturizer and apply that all over my skin just so my skin can get some hydration. Then I'm going in with Crave Beauty's The Beach Shield, and I am just going to apply that all over my face. This claims to protect your skin from any environmental stressors. Now I'm grabbing my ABH Dip Brow Powder, and I am just lightly applying that on my brows, filling in any sparse areas. And then I go ahead and brush it with the spoolie, and I use my Essence Brow Gel to set my brows. So for today's look, we are going to be using the Jackie Aina Palette. I'm going to go in with the color Pinker, and this is going to be my transition color. I didn't realize how pigmented this palette is, so I did apply a little bit too much, but I go ahead and blend it. I blend it more. So then I'm grabbing the color edges, and I'm going to apply that in the outer V of my eye just to create more intensity for the look. Then I grab this really nice red shimmery color, and this is going to go on my lids. I love this color, you guys. It's so unique. And then I'm just gonna go in with that brush that I put the color edges and just blend it out a little bit. So then I'm going in with the Born This Way concealer, and I am just going to even out my skin and try to conceal any blemishes that I have, and I do this with my Real Techniques buffing brush. Then wherever I get oily or I applied concealer, I am going to set it with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. So then I grab the ColourPop gel liner in the color Swerve, and then I apply that to my waterline. To build some contrast to the look, I'm going to apply the color Trust Issues in my inner corner. Now to add intensity to the lower lash line, I am going to apply the color Edges and just blend that out, connecting my waterline color to my upper lid color. For my lashes, I'm going to curl them with the Revlon eyelash curler. Then I'm going to go in with my Subversion eyelash primer from Urban Decay. Then I grab my Lancome Monsieur Big for mascara. I did go and grab my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara just to separate my lashes a little more. I feel like they were coming out really clumpy, but I feel like this really did its work. So I'm grabbing my Cheerleader Bronze Squad palette, and then I'm grabbing the color Hula and just warming up my face just so I can have some sort of balance with the warmth of my skin. To add some pink to my skin, I'm going to mix the color Gold Rush and Coralista, and I just want my cheeks to have like a natural blush, so I didn't put too much. Before I apply my highlight, I'm just going to spray some setting spray on the brush, and then I am just going to apply it very, very lightly just so it can have a subtle intensity. I don't know if that makes sense, but you know. And then I grab my Fenty lip gloss. This is nothing new. If you are a subscriber, you know this is my favorite lip gloss, and I am just going to apply that on my lips. Then I just set my face with the NYX matte setting powder or spray. And this is the finished look, you guys. Honestly, I loved how this look turned out. I love this palette. It's so pigmented. It's so easy to blend. But yeah, you guys, I post every Monday and Wednesday. If you are not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and do that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.